Hello everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing no-bake blueberry and oat cookies. Let's start by preheating our electric skillet on 180. In the meantime, we're going to shred our bananas using cone 2 of the food processor. Quick tip, make sure you use ripe bananas for that natural sweet flavor. Great! We're going to add in our oats, as well as our cinnamon. Give that a mix. This is the consistency that we're looking for. Now we're just going to add in our blueberries. This time we're going to mix a bit more gently so as to not break our blueberries. Now we're just going to roll our mixture into small balls. I used a spoon to get them roughly the same size. You can use your hands to flatten them. Don't worry about being too perfect, these are homemade after all. As you can see, we don't need to line our electric skillet. We're just going to put our mixture directly onto the electric skillet. We're going to cook for 7 minutes, and then we're going to lower the temperature to 160. Now it's time to gently flip over the cookies. As you can see, they're already starting to look golden brown. We're just going to cook for another 5 minutes. And then they're ready to serve. These blueberry and oat cookies are best served fresh. Enjoy!